I have completed the portion of the demand chapter. Previous class I told you why the demand curve is downward sloping. So the 3-4 points I have discussed. So today I will explain the market demand curve. So first of all, what is the meaning of the market demand? Market demand refers to the total demand created by the total consumers at a particular point of a time and at a particular price. So market demand refers to the quantity demanded by all the consumers at a particular price during a given period of a time. So this is known as market demand, and now I am going to explain the shape of the market demand. So I have written here the schedule, price line, individual demand. We assume that in the market there are two individuals, so individual A and individual B. So here I am writing here individual demand schedule. Quantity A means individual A, individual B demanded this type of quantity, and price line 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So individual A at price 5, quantity demanded 1 kilo wheat, 4 2 kilo wheat, 3 kilo wheat. In such a way individual A's demand line given here, and also individual B, here we are assuming two individuals in the market. So B 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 demanded the quantity at this level of price 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So market demand created when we add individuals A demand and individuals B demand, then we get the market demand. So 1 plus 2, 3. So market demand created 3 kilo of wheat, 2 plus 3, 5. So in such a way market demand column created. So with the help of this schedule, now I am going to draw the diagram. First individual A's demand curve I will draw. So first at price 5, quantity demanded 1 kilo. So in 1 kilo price is 5, 2 kilo 4, 3 kilo 3, 4 kilo 2, and 5 kilo 1. So at this line demand A. Demand A. Individual demand curve is downward sloping. So now next individual B at 5 rupees 5, quantity demanded 2. So 2 quantity at 5, 3 quantity at 4, 4 quantity at 3, 5 quantity 2, and 6 quantity 1. So you add this line demand B, demand B. So two demand curve I have drawn here, individual A and individual B. So now add these two demand schedule, then we get the market demand schedule. So first you see that 3 kilo wheat demanded by the two individuals at price 5. So 3 kilo demanded at price 5, 5 kilo 4, then 7 kilo 3, then 9 kilo 2, then 11 kilo 1. This is market demand. This is the market demand curve. So in such a way I have drawn the three demand curve, but from this diagram you notice that the market demand curve is flattered, and individual B demand curve is steeper. Steeper means this is known as steeper, and this is known as flatter. So the market demand curve is flatter type. Why? So this is very important questions from this portion. Why the market demand curve is flatter than individual demand curve? The answer will be the market demand curve is flatter than individual demand curve, because in market there are number of consumers increases, so there are large number of individuals in the market, and the demand also increases, so that's why the market demand curve is flatter than individual demand curve. So this is the shape of the market demand curve. Now next I am going to explain the normal goods and inferior goods.